Hello guys, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make a medicine curry, and before going into the video I would like to explain the benefits of this curry. In this curry we'll be adding a lot of pepper and cumin which helps increase immunity, and also in there are ginger and garlic which helps in digestion. So before going into the video, let's take a look at the ingredients. I'm taking a lemon-sized tamarind and I'm going to soak it in hot water with a little bit of rock salt. And once the tamarind is soft, I'm going to squeeze it and take the tamarind juice or tamarind extract. Along with this, I'll be adding 1 big onion, 1 tomato, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 small onions and 1 green chili. Cut and keep all these vegetables. Here I'm going to dry roast 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to roast them till they turn a little black. Once they are roasted, I'm going to cool them and put it into a mixie or blender and grind it into a coarse powder. Make sure this powder is coarse, else it will result in a bitter gravy. Here are my cut vegetables: tomatoes, onion, garlic cloves, green chili, and in the center is the ginger garlic paste. Now let's get cooking. Today I'm using a mud pot for my recipe. If you don't have a mud pot, feel free to use any vessel that you have. If you're using a mud pot, always remember, never keep an empty mud pot in direct heat. If you do so, it might develop crack or it might even break. Now I've added sesame oil to the mud pot and I'm heating it. Now the oil is heated up and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, little bit of urad dal and a little bit of cumin, and I'm going to wait till the mustard seeds and cumin splutter well. Now the seeds have spluttered well. I'm adding the garlic cloves and I'm going to saute it for 15 seconds. After that, I'm adding the onions and green chili. Now saute this mixture until the onions get cooked well like this. After this, I'm adding ginger garlic paste and I'm going to saute it for 15 seconds. And finally, in goes the cut tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, we need to cook the mixture till the tomatoes turn mushy and combine well with the onions. Now the tomatoes have combined well. At this stage, I'm going to add the tamarind juice or tamarind extract. Add the tamarind extract and give it a little stir. Now let's spice it up. So today I'm adding 3 teaspoons of coriander powder and 4 to 5 teaspoons of red chili powder. Do adjust the red chili powder according to your spice levels and give it a good stir. Add 1 cup of water and allow the gravy to boil for 5 minutes. Now the gravy has boiled for 5 minutes. I'm giving it a little stir. And I'm going to add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. After adding hing, allow it to boil for 5 more minutes. Now the gravy has been boiling for 5 more minutes. At this stage, I'm going to add the coarse ground powder of pepper and cumin. And I'm giving it a good stir. After adding the powder, reduce the flame to low and allow the gravy to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the gravy has boiled for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding the curry leaves. Now the medicine curry is ready. Serve this gravy with white rice topped with a little bit of ghee. Do try the recipe and share your comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.